Hey beauties, newbie and everyone. I am Shalinii Srivastav and this is my makeup channel House of Beauty by Shalinii Srivastav, and this is my introduction video. And before sharing videos and everything, I wanted to introduce myself so that my audience should know like how I landed up to make one channel and start my makeup work. So yes, I am Shalinii Srivastav and I am 35-year-old. I have been working as in corporate HR from last 15 years. I've worked with different companies, an IT company, FMCG company, pharma company, worked as a consultant as well. But down the line there was a fashionpreneur, to start my own work, to do a makeup artist course and become international makeup artist and start my own work at the way I want. So 13 years is big time, and I think it was 2 years back I gave a thought to become a makeup artist, to do my certification, to do my international certification, and here I am. I am now certified international makeup artist, and it's an amazing feeling to follow your passion, guys. I mean, working full-time in amazing companies and quitting and doing courses and starting your own work, it's different feeling definitely. So here I am. Now I am a makeup artist, fashionpreneur. So in this channel I'm going to share some tips, tricks, skincare for men, women, girls, oldies, everyone, for new mommies, some fitness tips as well, because I'm also a mom, and how to reduce weight after pregnancy, how to take care of your body, your external, your internal beauties, very important, very vital, right? So this is going to happen at HOPS, at House of Beauty by Shalinii Srivastav channel, and I really want you to shower your love and blessings, and just I want to be there, and I want you to help me out, right? I'm not a YouTuber, but yes, I've started today. So Jai Shri Ganesh, and I wish I will get love, I'll get feedbacks maybe, and definitely I'll take it very open-heartedly here. Thank you so much, guys. You'll see my more videos coming in coming days, right? Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Mwah.